Hi guys, I have reached my hotel in Italy, Rome. I'm in the city center. I'm gonna give you a beautiful room tour. So I come from this door and I'll be heading this way. I'm gonna give you a room tour. Come on, come on, come on, look at all this. So beautiful. So as you enter the room, this is what you get. I need to close. There is a heater. This is a different heater from what we have in London. There's a beautiful light, and this is the double bed. It's so beautiful. These are my suitcases. I just bought it from Fiumicino, and this is my outfit. I haven't even sat down, like you can see. I'm a little tired, but Rome is warm, so thank God I didn't bring any jacket. And let's go. Mine. This is my lovely bag. I will just put it on there, and then as you can see, that's my scarf. These are the keys. There is a TV here. From the booking I saw they have Netflix, so there is some tea. There is a small fridge. Lovely. And then let's see, there is that's how beautiful the bed is. I'm not disappointed. I think I like it because I've checked outside. There is a garden, and this is the wardrobe. This is simple for a single person. Oh, they have blankets down here in case I need any. And these are the lovely curtains. And let's keep going. Actually, they say there is a balcony, so I'm gonna open here and see how I can access the balcony. Okay, it is just a small balcony, traditional balcony. So this is how it is. Okay, this is the outside of the hotel. Very ancient. Those are the palm trees. The garden is so beautiful. The weather is amazing. Yeah, there's nothing to complain about. This is Italy. We just love Italy because of its beautiful tradition. I'll cross my room and I'll just draw the curtains and then get myself ready. Thank you so much for enjoying my room tour. I will just give you some more nuggets. Oh, one thing, I forgot the bath. I removed the lights. I read that it's not a bath, but just a shower. But what more do I need? I think this is just more than enough. Just switch on the lights. It's a simple one. The toilet. There's some self-care things. There's a towel. It doesn't smell the best, but at least this is clean. Yeah, I love it. So I'm gonna switch off and close. I'm just grateful that I'm here. I wasn't scammed. You know, sometimes when you travel solo, you're like worried, oh, they may steal me, they may do this and that. But actually, I'm not disappointed. I booked it, it's real, and I'm here. And to many more solo travels. This is me after the room tour. I just removed my jumper. I'm just here. solo tour, and I'm trying to plan my trip already. Some activities, things I need to go to do a pilgrimage. But anyway, the good thing is that I've been around this place before, and so it was easy for me to look for a place around the city center, particularly this area, and I'm really glad. And the hotel doesn't have food. I know it has only breakfast, but doesn't give dinner. But there are so many restaurants around, so I'll just have a chance to walk around and be able to get something for dinner later on. But I'm happy, I'm excited. Here I am. I'm not in England. I'm away. I'm in Rome. I'm in Rome. Can't wait to see the Vatican. Can't wait to go and pray. Send me all your prayer requests. If you see this video after I have come back from my trip, just know I did pray for you. I'll take you along on my trip. Just come, keep watching to the end, guys.